we're doing another video. And we couldn't think of any other ideas, and it was Joey's idea.
Underpants.
And we're doing monkey on the ground!
Yay!
On the playground!
Yeah. Wait, so I forgot how to play.
I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Alright, so this is how you play if you don't know how to play. So with the monkey, they have to close their eyes when they're on the playset, but when they're on the ground, they don't have to close their eyes.
And then if someone's on the ground, they can say monkey on the monkey can say monkey on the ground, and then the other person who's on the ground, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
or
all.
if you can, there's another way to get it.
I have a Minecraft sword.
And if they tag you, then you're it. But they have to close their eyes on the playground. So you guys know how to play, right? So let's do black shoe.
No, Minecraft sword.
Let's do black shoe. You do it. Put your
Black
foot in the
shoe,
middle if
black
you're playing.
Black shoe, black shoe. You are not it. Emerson's out.
Yeah, I'm not it. Gotta go. I'm filming though. Oh, we know that. Joey, you gotta film then because you're the monkey.
Yeah.
Just take the camera.
That was my sword.
You gotta count. Yeah, you gotta.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If I fall down, I'm gonna die.
Watch out. You gotta actually record. You're just pointing at the ground. You don't have to close your eyes for that.
Yeah, because you're on the ground. Just get up here.
You're taunting me.
I know.
You're it. I tagged you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Emerson, did I? I tagged you.
I don't know.
I tagged you,
Rock, paper,
bro.
scissors.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Easy.
Easy. Why did I
Base. Base.
You're it.
Okay, bet. Let's go.
Okay, here you go. If I tag you, then Emerson's it. If I tag you again, Chris, Emerson's it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And guys, you have to tell me if I'm gonna fall off and stuff. Chris, why are you just watching videos?
Oh no, I forgot about the
Hey guys,
I forgot about the hole.
do I have to close my eyes if I'm climbing on here?
Yeah.
How am I supposed to hold
You
this?
can focus through these holes.
How am I supposed to do this?
Here, just grab on my foot.
No, how am I supposed to close my eyes holding this when I'm supposed to use both hands and not close my eyes?
No, we're pausing. Give me the camera. I'm filming now because he doesn't want it because
Oh my,
he's climbing up.
this is stressful. Oh. Monkey on the ground.
Nope.
This is
You go like this.
Stressful.
I'm just gonna put this.
Tagged something.
No, you didn't. You tagged the pole. You ready? Monkey on the ground.
Oh, dang it!
Wait, did you? No, you
No.
got up on the side.
I said
Oh,
monkey
yeah.
on the ground when you were on the ground.
No, he.
No,
he
I was
got
on
up
the
side.
slide.
Okay, go.
I thought I told you.
Monkey on the ground.
No.
Oh!
The camera got stuck.
Watch out.
Hearing some
No,
slide.
he's gonna be able to tag us from here. No way, he's slide. Here I am. Bro, you literally are aimbotting.
How? I don't even.
I'm not zooming in on you.
Oh! You. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, he's good. Go.
Wait, somebody has to film.
Chris.
Chris, you film. What is it pretend?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that's a mini bucket I found.
Whoa!
Hey, stop being
No, Emerson,
distracted.
you film.
No, I gotta close my eyes.
Gotta pee.
What can I? open my eyes now?
Yeah, but you'll have to close your eyes. Stop, Chris. That's sabotage. Stop. That's sabotage. No, pause. Chris is sabotaging.
No, I'm just doing that so that he thinks I'm on the side so I can juke him.
No, you're sabotaging.
Dude, no, I'm not. There's no such thing as sabotaging, Joey.
Oh my god.
He doesn't know there's stairs right there.
No. What am I doing?
Monkey on the ground.
No.
And then monkey on the ground.
My shoe.
There's this other one.
Hi, who needs shoes? Shoes are for losers.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Tell me about it.
I need to pee. Oh, he's coming.
Oh. Monkey on the ground?
No, I'm not. That's cheating. You can't open your eyes.
What? What? Oh my, what the heck? What is this?
That's the separator between slides.
Oh, I just gonna graduate.
No!
All day.
No!
Bro, he's...
Wrong.
No!
I'm not like
Emerson, you were like this.
No, don't drive it into his head. Wait, I can't. No.
From him being tagged, but he got tagged.
1, 2, 10.
No, what?
No, what?
Wait, it's gotta focus.
I don't think your camera focuses.
Done.
It's not focused.
Alright. Jay, I'm coming to get you.
Just do this.
Oh yeah, that's easy. He's down there, and the mysterious hole of one.
You have to close your eyes if you're climbing.
I'm standing on this. I'm standing on
Where
this.
are you guys? Monkey on the ground.
Nope. Your mom's on the ground.
I know where you guys are. I know what you're gonna do. If I come down this way, you guys, yeah, if I come down this way, you guys are just gonna go on the side. But if I go down the side, you guys are just gonna come up this way.
I'm not doing this.
So I'm going down.
Jukes.
Juke, boss.
Yeah, I got your way.
Oh, easy. I know how you move, bro. I know how you move.
Stop.
That's cheating.
I'm gonna flip the camera.
That's the camera set up. He's cheating.
No, that's not. It's still on the playground.
I can't reach him. That's cheating. That's cheating.
No, it's not.
Got it.
No, it's like a book of monkey on.
Alright, Joey, look, you can tag me now.
Well, I can't.
Yes, you can't look at my leg.
How? You're just gonna pull it up. Like, see? I knew it. You're so mean.
Bro, how?
Now I have to target Emerson.
No, you can climb the monkey bars and then once you get to
No, I can't. How am I supposed to do that with my
Bro, it's so easy.
I don't say.
Dang it! Dang it! I hear a monkey.
Hey, Chris, that's cheating. Because he can't get you.
Yeah, that's cheating.
What do you mean, bro?
Dude, that's cheating.
Wait, pause. I need to.
Monkey on the ground.
I said pause. I need to fix the camera.
No, dude, that's cheating.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's cheating.
That's cheating.
This is cheating?
You can't climb onto that. That's cheating.
I'm just improvising.
You can only hang on that. That's cheating.
I'm just
Okay.
improvising. It's not fair. You gotta give us seconds because we took a pause and you opened
I
your
already
eyes.
gave you a pause.
No, but you opened your eyes, so go down on the sand and go 1, 2, 10.
I got PJ.
PJ Masks.
What the frick?
1, 2, 10.
Fighting crime before our bedtime or whatever it is.
Fighting crime till our bedtime, yeah. Fighting crime till our bedtime, yeah.
What happens if I stub my toe?
Then you
Dude, you're cheating! No, you're cheating!
No, I'm not. I'm not cheating. I go like this. So that I don't fall. You're it.
Yeah, but look. Who goes like this?
Me.
Oh, you're right.
Me.
Okay,
Chris,
whatever.
you're it.
I know!
Ow!
Oh, you okay?
No, I'm not okay.
brotherly love.
I didn't mean to. Hey, chill. I would carry you on.
Chill. Do you
1,
want
2, 10!
Do you want some pop? Do you want a donut?
Oh, I guys skimmed ever since here, but that doesn't.
Joey, do you want the donut?
Oh, that's a hand!
You're aiming for me, dude.
Yep.
Dude, you can't target people.
Just figure it. No, I'm just kidding. Don't fight.
I'm going to fight. 1, 2, 10.
Okay.
Do you want the donut? Here's the donut.
Ever since it.
Fine, I'll just ride Chris's scooter.
No. 1, 2, 10.
Stop!
I'm still counting to 10. Vroom. Vroom. Oh crap! I almost just died.
Don't get sand in it. Dude. Oh my gosh, bro.
Emerson, get up here.
1, 2, 10.
I gotta go.
And some money and some toes. I love toes and money. But if I could have a million toes and $1 million, I would have a million toes. Toes.
I could spit on him. Ammunition. Pause.
Monkey on the ground.
Ow. I
No, we
said
didn't.
pause.
Yeah, but you spit
Can't say pause.
I hurt myself.
Watch out, boo!
And how did you hurt yourself?
I don't know.
Exactly. You're probably just making up an excuse.
Do you want the donut?
Go with.
Okay. Technical difficulties. Let's freeze that now because nobody wants to play monkey on the ground.
We have to stand in the playground though.
We do?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey! That's cheating! You can't climb! This is
Yeah,
tag!
you can't do that. That's cheating.
That's cheating! You can't climb! This is
Not
tag!
cheating.
This is tag! You can't climb! It's a running lane, not a lane.
Whoever said you can
Me!
tag.
Me!
Wait, Chris, some money and some toes.
Chris, how old are you?
What?
How old?
No.
How old?
No.
How old are you?
What?
He's 30.
You can't be on the playground.
It's cap.
Yes,
This is for children ages 5 to 12!
Oh, I'm 12 guys.
Oh, okay, he's 12.
Oh,
I'm 12 guys.
Totally. Got it! Wait, no, I froze you.
Oh.
You have to save him.
I know.
If I tag you, then I'll... Hey, stop moving!
Help! I'm losing. Wait, I hurt
Go
my
rescue him!
I know. I'm coming, Emerson.
I hurt my knee.
Yo, just come up here like a real man.
Okay.
I'm frozen.
He's frozen, guys.
If you didn't know, if you didn't know, then I love eating sticks.
I'm just gonna sleep here.
Go! Go! Run!
Wait, no. Then I'm always it.
No, because if you tag both of us, then whoever.
And some money and some gold.
Oh no.
Let me tag you so then I can tag Chris. So then I can make Chris it. Or you it.
No, you gotta tag me first.
Actually, guys, let's just play regular tag.
Alright, bet.
You're like, nope. I'm it.
I know.
And somebody.
All the girls to know back. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. All the girls in the home back. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. My noggin!
I love eating some sand.
Sure.
Give me.
Oh, Dad's calling me. Go home. Alright, that's it for today's video. And we'll see you in the next one.